time, no time, oh. Chase down a brand new adventure. Step up, step out and enter in. There's no time for stalling. The wild, wild is calling. When you risk it all, you learn to feel alive. The wild, wild is calling. The wild, wild is calling now. The wild, wild is calling. There's no time, oh. The wild, wild is calling. The wild, wild is calling now. The wild, wild is calling. No time, hey.
We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe. Come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. Wild and free, baby, we could dream farther than our eyes have ever seen. I don't wanna grow up.
Introducing Swan's state-of-the-art, easy-to-use 1080p Full HD thermal sensing security camera systems. Enjoy peace of mind wherever you are, 24/7, with the thermal sensing HD security system installed in your home or business. Seeing is believing with 1080p high-definition video cameras, offering infrared night vision that you can use indoors or outdoors. The Full HD 1080p resolution lets you discern important details which are essential for evidence, such as faces and license plates. Thermal sensing detects events that are more relevant to security. You'll experience more reliable detection and reduce false triggers from moving trees and bugs. Get push notifications on your smartphone when thermal activity is detected so you can take action immediately. Set and forget recording onto a massive hard drive with easy retrieval of incident video via USB port onto a memory stick, network, or your mobile device's memory. Have extra peace of mind by uploading footage to the cloud when you link your DVR to your personal Dropbox account, so you'll have video evidence even if your DVR gets stolen. Use voice commands via Alexa and the Google Assistant to see what's happening at home.
Alexa, show me the front door.
You can also speak to see what's happening via the Google Assistant.
Hey Google, show me the front door.
Add or swap cameras with sensor warning light cameras that enable color video at night while acting as a powerful deterrent. View live or playback video in high definition on your HD TV, LCD screen, or monitor via HDMI connection or VGA port. Safeguard loved ones, protect property, see if a package has been delivered, and make sure pets and loved ones are all okay. Swan's cutting-edge 4K Ultra HD thermal sensing security system. It's from Swan, the world's #1 name in security made smarter.
Items. First off, I want to show you the pen. It is a really nice and slick design, and it also has a cover for the camera. In case you do want to hide it for a second, you simply slide it right on. It is easy to use because it only has one button of operation, that being the top one, and there's no other complicated settings or configurations. The product also comes with a charging cable, a flash drive, ink refills, and the user's manual. When you open up the pen, you can see the memory card, which can then be used to transfer data, or you can simply plug in the cable it comes with and connect it to the laptop. When you want to take a picture, you have to double press the button and you will see the LED light come on. You can also make a recording by simply pressing the button for a longer period of time. You can then connect your pen to a device and see all the movies and the photos you have taken. It was a very easy and straightforward process. I thought the product was easy to use. It was easy to connect to my computer as well. I simply connected it to the cable that it comes with, and the photos and the videos appeared on my screen. I really hope you like the product too.